I'm Peter. I'm the managing director of GlasCurtain. This is a really special project from a design perspective because it's so highly glazed for how high performance it is. Most high performance buildings of this type that are going for, if they're not going for net zero or they're shadowing it, but high performance institutional buildings are, maybe they're 30% glazed. But what we have here is a beautifully, naturally daylit building.
I think a big part of this job that will help showcase to other institutions is just the overall size of the glass that they use. There is a tendency to look at big glass as being more expensive, where the opposite is true. The bigger the glass, the cheaper it is per square foot overall.
And I think everybody's efforts were really integral to making that happen. And so this is, a final view along the front, really showing where, the precast, the metal panel, and the windows all form together to really create this quite seamless and well put together pattern that worked out quite well.
So I think environmental sustainability is important to Carleton, largely because they're such a large energy user, right? So the energy bill for Carleton is probably upwards of $10 million a year type of thing. So for them, being able to have a sustainable campus where they're using less energy, it's going to cost them less money operationally, and that gets passed down to the students, and as well also it's going to contribute basically to reducing CO2 emissions.
A durable and high-performance glazing curtain wall is very important for the Engineering Design Center because the Engineering Design Center is one of Carleton's newest buildings. It's sort of the forefront of what Carleton is capable of and sort of sets the bar for what we aim to achieve.
And from my own energy simulations, what we've determined is that compared to using just code values for the window U values, wall R values, and things like that, the building envelope system is about 33% more thermally efficient and about 25% less leaky than a traditional building envelope.
This was also one of the first projects that we did with bird frit on the glass, which not only gives a distinct look, but also looks after our little flighted friends. The result is really sets the stage for what's going to be the future of architecture and design and glass design in particular in Ottawa and across Ontario, and we hope across the country as well. We look forward to seeing a world that is more bird friendly. I think this project has the ability to showcase what's possible with a relatively simple palette of materials, a relatively robust envelope design, and a building and a structure that has to wear very hard for this use case. This is a rough and tumble kind of building that even 9 months in, you can see that it's being used and used, to the best of its ability. And so, to be able to be part of a building that's durable, high quality, sustainable, this is what we hope all post-secondary institutions in Canada can learn.